Hi guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly Elise, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get this gorgeous cut crease eyeshadow look using the Morphe 3503 palette. As you can see, my face is already primed and I have one eye done, and I also have the other eye already primed and based with concealer. This first eyeshadow that I'm going in with from the palette is the shade Disrupt, and we're using this as our first transition shade. I'm just going to apply that to my crease on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to go directly on top of that shade with the shade Ball of Fire, and we're going to build that shade up on top of that color in our crease as well, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions until we have it built up to where it looks a little bit like this. And then this next shade that I'm going in with is the shade Red Alert, and we're going to build this shade up quite intense in the crease as well. So you just want to apply that back and forth in windshield wiper motions until we have something that looks like this, making sure to go back and blend out those edges with that fluffy brush. And once I have something that looks like this, it's time to go in and cut the crease, guys. And to do this, I'm using my MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And basically, guys, you just want to take your time and start by applying this paint pot to your lid. The trick to creating a cut crease with hooded eyes, guys, is to cut your crease slightly above where your natural crease is. So that's what I'll be doing. So instead of starting right where your natural crease starts, you want to go just a little bit above that and start applying that paint pot as straight as you can in a straight line to cut the crease. So we're basically going to draw a line going slightly above our crease where we want our crease to be cut at. And then you just want to drag that shade down on the rest of your lid until you have something that looks like this. Going a little bit above the crease when you have hooded eyes, guys, allows you to be able to open your eyes, and you can still see the eyeshadow when you open your eyes if you have hooded eyes. It gives the appearance that we have more lid space than we actually do. And after I have the crease cut to my liking, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow shade on top of that paint pot. And the eyeshadow that I'm using is the shade Embers from this palette. And we basically just want to apply that all over where we apply that paint pot. And when applying it to the crease area, you want to make sure that you take your time and go in a straight line following that paint pot line so that we keep that line for the cut crease nice and crisp. And you just want to continue to build that shade up on the lid until we have something that looks like this. And after I have that lid shade applied, I'm going to deepen up my outer V with the shade Hypnotic from this palette. And I'm using a smaller fluffy blending brush to blend that into my outer V, making sure to blend it into the first shade on our eyelid so that it's nice and seamless. And now it's time to go in with our eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I'm using is the Benefit Roller Liner in the shade Black, and I'm going to apply that to my lid, creating a wing on the eye. And after I have that wing created, I'm going in with my highlight shade, and I'm going to apply this underneath the arch of my eyebrow. The shade of this highlighter is by Makeup Revolution, and I think it's in the shade Make an Impact. I'll leave all the eye products in the description box, guys, just in case you want to check them out. So you just want to lightly apply this underneath the arch of the eyebrow. I'm also going to apply this in my inner corner to give my eyes a little bit of a pop. And while applying this in my inner corner, I'm also going to drag this up along the line of where we cut the crease to make that area look a little bit lighter than what it is, so that it adds an extra pop to the eye as well. And once we have something that looks like this, guys, it's time to go in with our lashes. I'm using the Ardell 113 lashes. And guys, this is the finished look. This look is absolutely gorgeous, especially for deeper skin tones. It's a nice, fun cut crease for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial. If you haven't already, guys, go down below, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss when I post a new upload, guys. And until next time, guys, bye.